Start with Aloha Shoyu Kalbi Sauce. Then cut up some green onions. Grab yourself your favorite meat. In this video, we're using country-style pork ribs. That's all the ingredients you need for this easy recipe on the grill. I like to use a Ziploc, but you can use any container you'd like. Combine all of your ingredients in whatever your container of preference is. And then you're just gonna let them soak. I'm gonna go ahead and get all of the air out of this bag. I'm gonna massage it to make sure that all of my pork is fully coated with my marinade. Then I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about 4 to 8 hours. I like to use charcoal, but you can use gas if that's your preference or easier for you. Go ahead and get it on the grill. I like to make sure that they're fully spread out. Look at that sizzle right there. Looks like they're just about ready to flip. I like to make sure that I cook them on all sides. So because these are kind of thick, I'm gonna go ahead and stand them up like this here. Now that these guys are all ready, I'm gonna get them off the grill and get them inside. I'm gonna go ahead and chop this up. Oh, look how perfectly done that is. Get it on a plate, and it's time to eat. This is what I love about using pork, is all that juicy fat that get the flavor cooked into the meat. Look at that. This one here is with a salad, but you can use whatever you want on the side. Garnishing with some leftover green onions, and we're ready to eat. Comment below what your favorite recipe is using Aloha Shoyu products.